In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a frame in LucidSpark. A frame is a simple, structured container that helps you organize ideas on your whiteboard. Think of it as a visual boundary that keeps related sticky notes, images, and shapes grouped together so your board stays clear and easy to navigate. First, head to lucid.app and sign in. After you log in, you'll land on the home page. From here, you want to open a LucidSpark board. You can pick something you've worked on recently from your recents, start from a completely blank board if you want a fresh space, or choose a template to get a quick head start. Templates are great when you know the kind of session you're running, like a brainstorming or retrospective, but any of these options will take you into a board where you can add frames. Once your board is open, look to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find the Frame tool. It appears as a simple square icon. Click that icon to activate the tool. Now you have two easy ways to add a frame. If you want a custom size, click and drag on the canvas to draw the frame to the exact dimensions you need. As you drag, you'll see the outline grow. Release your mouse when it looks right. If you just want something fast, simply click once on the canvas and LucidSpark will place a default-sized frame for you. After the frame appears, you can fine-tune it visually. Hover near the edges or corners and drag to resize, or click anywhere on the frame and drag to reposition it on the board. If the frame lands in the wrong spot, use undo to quickly revert. Frames are excellent for breaking a big brainstorming space into sections, creating agendas or work areas, and guiding collaborators through a board in a logical order. Keeping related content inside a frame also makes it easier to keep discussions focused. If you're working zoomed out and the frame feels small or hard to place precisely, zoom in a bit before dragging it out. That gives you more control over the size and alignment on the canvas. And remember, you can always add more frames later and adjust them as your session evolves. That's all there is to it. Open your board from the home page and use the Frame tool on the left to click and drag for a custom frame or click once for a default one. With frames in place, your boards will look cleaner, be easier to understand, and keep your team aligned.